somehow. And you'll come out tonight and let
For today, we have karaage and bacon. Yesterday, I think they had some chicken balls skewers or barbecue, I think. Hopefully, they do change it on a daily basis so that we don't get tired of eating it. But there's different food today than what we had yesterday.
The doors on the right side will open. The next station is Onikubo, JB4. Please change your floor, the Marunouchi subway line.
I don't think there's anything wrong with you talking about the Funan food.
So we're now at Kichijoji. Currently, we're in Noshikara Park, I think. That's yeah, Inokashira Park. It's still sunny. We're kind of waiting for our turn to be in line for our food. We kind of pick a pizza place just to be different this time, because we've been eating a lot of Japanese food. So we'll see you there. tastes really great for me. The ham, the cured ham, and balances that saltiness with the creamy cheese. So Mitzi's just found this place from the AI. They're such a good find. First bite. Look at that. This is really good. Oh my god. I may not be a food influencer, but I know when the food is good. Oh, this is really good. This hits the spot.
No. Mom wants to buy this jacket,
This is a really nice jacket.
but it's so mahal.
I really like this jacket. It's a nice jacket, but has a nice price as well. Should we buy the jacket or not? It's nice, no? It's really nice. The details, everything. Should we fit? My wife enabler. My enabler wife.
She wouldn't like torture me or anything. She just kept saying, wake up. You know when you're sleeping and you don't know you're awake, but you are? You hear that, and I woke up and that's what it was.
Hey vlog.
We're still at Shikara Park. I don't know the park here in
So Kichijoji.
Kichijoji. We were strolling around. We found some good spots to take pictures and take videos, and it's a really big park. There's a lot of greenery and scenery around here. There's also a lot of medium-sized, I don't know, trails. I don't know what this is, but there's also a zoo. But we didn't go to the zoo. But it's a fun way to relax and just chill. There's a lot of benches as well if you wanna just have a sit and people watch. But so far we've enjoyed Kichijoji. It's way more chill here compared to the Tokyo Center. It's an hour from Ginza where we're currently staying, and it's worth the travel to be honest. I think for now we're gonna look for somewhere to eat and go back to where we came from, which is a long,
Philippines.
which is a long walk back to where the entrance was. So we're gonna start walking since the sun is about to go down. So we'll see you at our next food stop. Rokocho, onegaishimasu. はい、お願いします。ご飯、ミディアム、はい。こたつ、キャベツキムチお願いします。キムチ。はい。はい。コーラお願いします。こたつ。It's dripping, oh my god. いただきます。Grabe. Oh my god, that's some good kimchi. It's dripping so much. It's glistening, guys. Oh my god. Wagyu every now and then is just, it's such a treat, to be honest. Look at that sizzle, that glisten, perfection. For us, we've been to like 3 different yakiniku places, from Osaka, then to Fukuoka, and then there's like a third one that we've been to. And for me, for us, this has been on the more expensive end of yakiniku restaurants that we've been to, but the taste though, like you can really taste the difference of the quality of meat that you're gonna eat. Even Mitzi was saying a while ago that it does taste different in terms of quality. It's a good restaurant if you're hungry and you want to eat some yakiniku here in Kichijoji. So we're gonna put the link, not the link, but like the description of the place in this video so that you guys can visit it.